how to remove and how to disconnect Bluetooth device from your laptop. So guys, if you are using earbuds and headphones on your laptop, so how to disconnect, in this video we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. So as you can see here, our earbuds connected here this laptop. So I want to disconnect it. So click here start button and click here setting. Now click here Bluetooth and driver, and you can see here our Bluetooth connected here. Click on it and click here this option arrow button and click here disconnect or remove. If you want to disconnect, click here disconnect. If you want to remove this device, so you can click here remove option. Click here remove. Your earbuds will permanently disconnected from your laptop. If you want to connect again, you can connect here. Okay, click here add device and find here your Bluetooth device and you can connect here. Okay, so guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.